Ever heard the whispers on the crypto street? Maybe you saw a comparison chart online, or a friend mentioned it. Is Gemini a trust wallet? Intriguing question, right? Especially for those of us navigating the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. We all want a safe and secure place to store our hard-earned digital assets. So, let's dive into the world of Gemini and trust wallets, unpack the differences, and see if they fit the bill. Centralized versus decentralized, understanding the crypto wallet landscape. First things first, there are two main types of crypto wallets, centralized and decentralized. Centralized wallets, like Gemini, are akin to digital banks. You create an account, hand over your crypto holdings, and the platform handles the storage and security for you. It's convenient, user-friendly, and often comes with additional features like trading options. Decentralized wallets, on the other hand, are like digital safety deposit boxes. You hold the keys, literally. These wallets come in the form of software applications you download or hardware devices you carry around. They give you complete control over your crypto, but the onus of security falls entirely on you. The Gemini advantage, security built on trust. Now, back to Gemini. It's a centralized exchange, not a standalone wallet. They offer a secure platform to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. Gemini prides itself on its robust security measures, including industry-leading insurance on user holdings, regular audits, and multi-factor authentication. Here's the kicker, Gemini also boasts a built-in hot wallet for storing your crypto. While it doesn't offer the same level of control as a dedicated decentralized wallet, it benefits from Gemini's top-notch security infrastructure. Think of it as a secure vault within a bank. You don't have the physical key, but you can trust the bank to keep your valuables safe. Trust Wallet, decentralized power in your pocket. Trust Wallet, on the other hand, is a decentralized wallet application. It allows you to store a wide range of cryptocurrencies and tokens, all under your control. There's no middleman, you manage your private keys, granting you complete autonomy over your digital assets. Trust Wallet also integrates seamlessly with decentralized applications, dApps, opening doors to the exciting world of DeFi, decentralized finance. The flip side? Decentralized wallets require a higher level of technical know-how and hold you solely responsible for safeguarding your private keys. Losing them means losing access to your crypto forever. So, Gemini versus Trust Wallet, picking your crypto champion. Ultimately, the choice boils down to your priorities. Do you value convenience and security, and are comfortable keeping your crypto on an exchange? Then Gemini might be a good fit. Are you a seasoned crypto user who prioritizes complete control and venturing into DeFi? Then a decentralized wallet like Trust Wallet is the way to go. Here's a quick cheat sheet to solidify your decision. Centralized security. Choose Gemini for its secure platform and built-in hot wallet, ideal for beginners or those seeking a one-stop shop for buying, selling, and storing crypto. Decentralized freedom. Choose Trust Wallet for complete control over your crypto and access to the dApp world, perfect for experienced users comfortable managing their private keys. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Some users even choose to have both. Gemini for a portion of their holdings and Trust Wallet for exploring DeFi or storing lesser-known tokens. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.